Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I know that most of you have noticed that I haven't been on YouTube, Facebook, or any social medias this week and over the weekend. Some of you already know that my husband had an AFib Friday night, and he fell in the bathroom. He passed out from it. He fell in the bathroom, and he cut a pretty big gash on his head and bruised himself up pretty bad. His defibrillator did have to shock him back. It shocked him twice. It was shocking in the last time when I got to him, but we spent the night in the ER, and it was rough. It was a rough night, I have to admit, and it's been kind of an exhausting and rough week. We have been back and forth to doctor's offices every day this week, or either on a virtual call or text or email or whatever with them every day. We've got to go back tomorrow and get some test results that they did, and then get his stitches out, hopefully, if everything up there is healed up pretty good. But as you can imagine, I've just not been in any frame of mind to do videos. I've tried a couple of times. I pulled some things out, and my mind just won't get there. Hopefully, once we get all the test results back in and everything seems to be going smoothly, then it may be different. I will hopefully be back at full force, but right now I don't know. It's just hard for me to get my mind set on doing a video when I just feel like that I need to spend every minute of time with him. I thought I had lost him Friday night. I thought he was gone. So it was, it's been very emotional, and, it causes me to want to watch him every second. And even when we're in the bed, I don't sleep. I'm constantly checking on him to make sure he's still breathing and, all of that. But like I said, it's been a very emotional week. I thank you all for all of your prayers, all of your well wishes that you have sent. I've got text and email and messages from tons and tons of people, and I really, really appreciate that. The prayers is what gets us through all of these situations, and I appreciate it so much. I know you guys understand why I haven't been on and doing videos. I wanted to come on a couple of times and just give you updates, but I haven't been able to. I just haven't been able to. I've been real close to tears most every day, so I knew if I come on and tried to talk to you that probably all I would do is sit here and blubber, and that wouldn't do anybody any good. So I had to wait till today, when I felt like I was in a frame of mind to talk to you, to explain to you what was going on, and to let you know he seems to feel better today. He's had a pretty good day today. He's still not able to do anything that much, but he did sit out here in the shop with me today, and I packaged up some orders. And if you've been waiting on an order, all of the orders did go out today, and I apologize for your wait, but it was just one of those things that I had to, my family and him come first. So, but all of the orders did go out today. All of the blue fern that people had pre-ordered, that went out today. So you should be getting your order in a day or two. If you have sent me a message and I have not responded, I apologize. Melina was trying to catch as many of my messages as she could and respond to them. And she was trying to keep the groups and everything kind of up to date on what was going on. And if she hasn't responded to you and I haven't responded to you, if you'll just send me another message or another email or something, I will try to get back with you if it's a question on an order or something like that. But I do appreciate it. I really do. I appreciate you guys understanding and being patient with me, and just knowing that, our families come first above everything, above our work, above other people. Our families just come first, and that's what I've had to do this week, is just put him first. And I want to just spend as much time as I can with him. So, because I don't know if, what next time might be. But So probably even after this is over with, I may be cutting back just a little bit on my videos and not doing one every day. I don't know. I'm going to have to see how it goes. But I'll still be bringing you videos, but there may not be one up every day because I feel like I just need at this time to kind of pull back and take a look and, spend more time with him and less time working. I mean, right now I work, 16, 18 hours a day, and I need to slow down and put some of that time in him. Not for myself, but for him. But anyway, if you'll just keep praying for him, I would really appreciate that. Send up all the prayers that you can and just pray that all of his test results come back within the ranges that they need them. He does have congestive heart failure. He has had mitral valve repair. His heart is enlarged. He has had kidney failure. He has had a aorta dissection. I don't know what all else. Right now I can't even think. But anyway, so just keep praying that this doesn't happen again. It has happened before, but not quite this severe. He has had a little bit of passing out before, but he was usually seated, and it didn't really have a big effect on him. This time he stayed out for a little while, and he did have to have a couple of shocks to get brought back. So, if you'll just continue to remember us in your prayers, I would appreciate that. I do have a weekly freebie for you guys. Now, I didn't work on this a lot. This came from the Graphic Fairy. All I did was just put it over in my system and made a PDF for you guys so that you could download it without having to, go to their website and try to fix it and download it and everything from there. So I'm going to put this over on the blog, and if you want to go over there and print this off, you're welcome to. And like I said, this did come straight just like this from the Graphic Fairy. I really didn't do anything except load it into my Adobe, and then I, fixed it up a little bit and printed it off, and that's it. But I have printed some of them on kind of a cream colored cardstock. Now these are the smaller stamps. These are faux stamps. See if you can get a look at those. So they're just faux stamps. They've got a little stamp up in the corner, and it says Cartabella or Carter Postal on here. And it's just different flowers and things. So I printed them off the small, and then I printed them off the medium. And then I also printed some off just in black and white. I might use those, on some things. And you can always change your color on your printer and just print black and white. This is the same thing as that one. And then this is just printed on printer paper here. That's just plain printer paper. So you can see the difference in the look depending on what paper you print it on. Let me find the one. So see, there is a little bit of a different look, but I think all of them are pretty. I will be using all of them, I'm sure. But that is the freebie for the week, and that's just another way for us to say thank you so much for remembering us and caring for us. I did get a package yesterday, and I'll be trying to show it tomorrow if everything goes okay at the doctor's office and we get back. We have been spending the most part of a day at the doctor's office with tests and all that. So if we get back tomorrow in time, I'll try to open that package and show you. And I thank you to the person who sent it. Let me see if I can see who sent it right quick. Let's see. It come from Christine, I think. So I'll be trying to open that tomorrow and show you guys what's in that. But that is what I wanted to tell you today. I don't think I have anything else that I need to tell you right immediately, other than we will have, I'll get this out in a minute. We will have a new paper collection in, let's see, what's today? Let me look at my calendar. We'll have another paper collection in Monday. It should be Monday, according to what they tell me. And it is another blue fern, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I have the paper, and I think the ephemera. I'm not sure what else coming, but I have quite a bit of that coming on Monday, and I will be loading that up as soon as it gets here. I can't load it right now because I don't have the photos of it. They were unable to send me photos in a PNG format. So my system, where I have to load it into my website, it wouldn't take their, I think it was GIF is what they sent it in, and it wouldn't take that. But anyway, and I haven't had time to fool with it. I'm sure there's a way that I could, change it over and all of that, but I really haven't felt like fooling with it. So, but just watch for that next week. And then I do believe that is all. We do have the September kits ready to go out. I'm thinking that we're only going to have one, maybe two of the September e-club kits extra. Those I will try to load up on Monday as well. Once we get all of the members kits sent out, they will be sent out by next Friday since the 6th is falling on Sunday. So we'll get those e-club kits sent out. If you're not already a member of our e-club kit, that link is directly below. If you go over and click on that link, then you can join. You can join and stop at any time. It's not, you don't commit to a certain amount of months or anything like that. But, and then also don't forget about the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. I will link that video below as well. That drawing was supposed to be Monday, but that is really going to depend on what we find out tomorrow at the doctor's office. Hopefully it will still go on as normal. If not, then I will have to postpone it maybe a day or two. I will try my best to get it done the first week of September regardless. But and if I can't do it, I'll try to get Melina to do the drawing. But we will get the 50,000 subscriber giveaways done. We have 3 different levels of giveaways. So just make sure that you go and click on that video, and all the information will be below it. And I don't know of anything else that I need to tell you. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can just leave them in the comments below. We appreciate it, and we will be back just as soon as we can. Thank you guys so much for all of your concern, all of your prayers, and all of your love that you have been sending our way. We really appreciate it. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.